Ready to get rid of the pesky layers in your Adobe Express design? Let me show you how to quickly remove it. Let's get started. First, open your project and tap on the layer you want to delete. Whether it's an image, text or element, on selected, look for the delete option or the trash icon in your toolbar and tap it. That's all it takes. Another method to delete a layer in Adobe Express is that here you can see the layers stacked in the left corner of the screen. Tap on any layer you want to delete and right click on it and tap on delete. And that's it. The unwanted layer will be deleted instantly. Layers are stacked, so make sure you are selecting the right one before deleting it. If you are unsure, hide the layers one by one until you find the right one. How often do you work with layers in your design? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.